Bam, 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 bam. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Jace, pass me my water, please. Hey, Buffalo.
Mine tastes like grape juice from green.
Or just staying in tonight. With Olive Garden to go, you can enjoy what you love from us any night of the week.
So, guess what, guys? Look what I got today. I wanted to open it up and share it with y'all. What I got. They're here. You want to say hi to Buffalo? Look. Say hi. Come say hi. Don't touch that. That's an owie.
Don't you put that trick, Mom?
I'm super excited.
The knife's only for that trick, Mom.
Buffalo said hi, Jace. I know. We haven't heard from them in a while. Uh-huh. Yeah, she said hi.
Now we can go to her house. He's left the car.
Look what I got.
Baby Yoda.
The child.
Baby Yoda.
Super excited.
Baby Yoda.
Isn't it cute?
Yes. But she said yes.
Mm-hmm.
She likes Baby Yoda, right? Mom is all old and wrinkled.
I also got my stickers that I'm going to put on my VIP mail that I give out to my customers. I'm actually going to, I was waiting for this stuff anyways. I'm going to send these out, my VIP mail, no later than Friday. Look at the scent pack that goes with my baby Yoda. This is so awesome. I am into Star Wars. I love Star Wars. I've seen all the Star Wars. I even watched The Mandalorian.
Me too.
And when this was launched, I was super stoked. I was like, I have to get it. I'm gonna get it. And I got it. Are y'all ready? It's so cute.
I'm so sleeping with him tonight.
He's so cute.
Can I feel him? He's so soft. I want to feel him.
You love him?
Give
I
me
love
the
this
child.
box that it came in too. This is so cool. If y'all did not get the the child Cincy buddy, sorry. I posted and let everybody know.
Mom, look at his nails.
And
It's golden.
he is no longer out anymore. Look, he's so cute. Dun, da, 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 da.
I was shy.
And the scent pack. I haven't smelled yet. Oh,
Let me smell,
it
Mama.
smells so
Let me
good.
smell, Mama. Mama, I want to smell.
Smell.
I like it.
You like it? Smell it. Do you like it? It smells good, doesn't it?
Give me the child.
Oh my gosh.
My child. Give me the child. No, my child.
I'm gonna have to get
JC, stop. Okay.
a Scentsy bar that goes with this so I can put some wax in my bathroom. Oh man, this smells so good. Oh, but I'm super. Isn't he so cute? Look how big he is.
Yeah, and his nails are golden.
His nails are golden. See his nails?
Golden! Good job. Just, Mama. Good job. He floats in the thing like a cradle. Like.
I just wanted to show y'all what I got today. I got another box too, but
I want the try back.
it's super heavy to bring over here.
Try back.
For those who ordered a rainbow bundle, I can't even talk today. For those of y'all who ordered a rainbow bundle from me, you're so distracting. I got the wax bars today, the Scentsy bars today, so I will be shipping those out Friday. Gonna try tomorrow, but more than likely it'll be Friday, Saturday the latest. So y'all will be getting y'all's rainbow bundles from me. For those of you who had ordered, sorry for the late shipping, but I was waiting for a couple of more items to be mailed to me. Buffalo, you didn't order anything from me. But yes, a lot of stuff is coming out this month. I'm super excited. I can't wait to start showing y'all what's all in store for July. The letterboard warmer is already on back order, so if y'all are wanting to order that, y'all need to go ahead and put your order in now, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be sold out soon. Oh no, I just broke a nail. But yes, look, I broke my nail.
Let me see, Mama. Let me see, Mama. Yes. Can see really close.
See, right there.
Ooh.
See? But yeah. All the rainbow bundles will be mailed out this week, by the end of this week. I just wanted y'all to see the child, Baby Yoda.
Mama.
What?
Baby Yoda's hand.
Yes.
He's trying to get, right, Mom?
He is super cute. I love him.
Me too.
We love Baby Yoda, don't we? Huh? Yeah. We love Baby Yoda. Alright. I was gonna open the other box, but I have to run to the store and get some stuff. So,
Bye.
I will talk to y'all later, and I will keep y'all updated on all the awesome new stuff that's gonna be coming out this month. So, I'll keep y'all posted. Y'all keep a lookout, and I hope y'all have a good rest of the evening. Y'all stay cool out there.